up a video for so long, but we're gonna
Fortnite addiction. Sorry, took him over a bit.
I haven't been playing that
What do you mean?
a lot.
Okay.
But guys, I have been playing Roblox, but I'm just too lazy to. Someone's called Happy Horrid Henry. It says Henry.
Happy Horrid Henry. So guys, hello. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you?
I'm going downhill.
Oh, wait,
I'm
meet
on
me.
number 6, the snow one. I think
Yes,
I'm on the first
Meet
snow.
me.
I'm going down.
What does this fly control thing do?
Oh, because you
I
can
don't
just
know because
when you get up to quite a lot of level, and then you can actually just do whatever. You can move wherever you want. I'm just gonna buy that.
What is this? Okay, I'm gonna.
How much money? I've barely got any money. I'm on level 16. What level you on?
I don't know.
I'm on level 16.
Oh yeah.
I'm saving up money because I just spend it all on the
I'm on level
flight control.
10.
That is barely. It takes forever for you. Like, look, going this way, it takes forever.
I do not know anything about this.
And there's also why didn't I use the? Do you see that running thing in the corner that's orange?
Wait, meet me by here. Meet me here. Where
In
are
the
you?
snow?
Yeah, we meet.
There.
I see you.
Wait,
Sorry.
what's your t-shirt? Why you have a white t-shirt?
No.
Oh, it's rainbow.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Do you see that orange running speed person on the...
Okay, I forgot to change my outfit, but this was my outfit for
No,
Pride Month.
do you see the...
No, I forgot to change my outfit, so this was just my outfit.
Do you see the
for
orange
Pride
thing
Month.
down there?
Yeah.
Click on it, and then you can actually do the thing. I'm on the first one. On the third, I meant. Sprint. Oh, I'm into sprint. Look at me. Ugh. I just went apart.
What the hell is this?
Look, I'm a firework in the sky.
Firework?
This looks more like a firework or star just coming down to earth. Guys, I'm going to try to do a video tomorrow as well, so just soon.
Should we try doing a video every day?
Yes, this week.
It depends if we're like busy though, like.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, are you all guys? Are you all excited and not excited to get back to school?
I'm kind of excited, but it's okay.
Yeah. I think.
You are definitely on, cause yeah.
I haven't finished primary.
Congratulations, everyone! Clap.
Yes, it's very embarrassing. Like when the last day they're clapping, you're like, oh my god, the leavers!
No, Mel, they're happy for you to leave.
I know, right? But then the sky was sad. The sky was crying.
I know, it's like all raining. Even your friends are crying.
Yes, it was a day of emotion.
What did your
Everyone was
teacher
crying.
say?
I don't know, but she did cry in the.
Your class was the crying this year,
I don't know.
but you're the
But,
one who's just smiling. Hello, I'm happy.
But the teacher, she was crying on our leaver show thing.
You were the only one who
cried.
wasn't crying and
Yeah,
stuff.
but the teacher was crying as well. Too bad you missed it. You missed the fun. Like we had a surprise song for the teacher, and it made everyone very emotional. Like very emotional.
Like 2 people started crying and this person came over.
Yeah, it's like
and then no, did you know when like 2 of the people cried and then a person came over and rubbed their back, and then that person cried and then another person came to rub like the back, and then I'm surprised.
It's contagious. If you touch a crying person, it makes you cry. But I did not cry. I was.
Yeah, you were just smiling.
Smiling.
Like, yes, I'm happy. Me.
Yeah,
I'm leaving high school. Not high school.
Our sister's already done that. She's already left. Like, come on. I'm not as old as her. Yeah, she's left high school, but now she's going to university. She's left university. She had a job, and then she wants to go back to university. Like, don't.
University does sound fun.
Yeah,
And guys, leave in the comments what you're going to be when you're older. I don't know what I'm going to be. I'm probably going to be a vet, an artist, or
Yeah, but no, you said you want to be a vet, but then you don't even like surgery.
I might, because you don't know what happens when you get older.
Yeah, I want to be a surgeon.
Probably artist is like, I just love animals. But if one of them dies at the vet, so I'm probably just going to be so sad. I'll be like all sad and everything all day
I want to be a surgeon.
and all week and all month and all year
I just really
and
want to.
all my life.
I really want to be a surgeon. No.
What if I'm a vet and then you're a surgeon? That's just going to be a coincidence. But I think you're definitely going to be a
I want to be
surgeon.
like a heart or brain surgeon. I'm not too sure. I don't really mind. I just really want to be a surgeon. So yeah.
Yeah.
So guys, have you all enjoyed your summer though so far? Yeah? No? Oh yeah.
You think it's gone fast? Because I think it's gone so fast. We're in the halfway through the summer holidays.
Yeah.
So, yay.
Yeah. I know.
Let's I can't do the fireworks or anything
Until
half an hour
firework
later.
is the best.
I know. The sprint is the best actually for me.
Oh god.
The
I've gone in
sprint just
first
makes
person.
you go into parks, but you're
my
connected
eyes.
to
I'm in
sprint.
I've gone in first person. Don't do
Oh
that.
yeah, I'm gonna do that next time.
My eyes. It's just like spinning around and around. I earned some money though. Don't you? Why do you earn money? Like, if you have to go to hospital, you don't pay them at the time, but you have to pay them though. So, like, you're earning money for breaking bones. If that was real, I'll be breaking my bone every day. To just earn,
Especially if
money.
you get like 100,000.
Yeah, I had this friend.
Oh my
she
god,
left
look at
the
this.
School. She did leave school, but she like broke bones like. So she broke one bone, then it got better, healed, and then she broke another bone.
I bet she did this.
So
I bet she did this every day until she broke one bone because she's very careful. She's just sliding down.
but she left. But she is going to the same high school as me.
Why do these trees look so real?
Yeah.
Like they look pretty real.
Roblox.
We actually might make another video today later because
Maybe.
we're in 8 minutes. We only have 15 minutes altogether on this.
Well, we're just gonna have to.
They
Okay.
see me roll it. They hate it, and I don't end up. Oh my god! And you liked I don't know, but if you
I see you. Wait for me. Did you jump? Why not go to the higher point? It's better.
Yeah, I know. Like once I just cheated, but then once first time I went on there, I went up the stick. You know, this first one. I was trying to get the second one, but it teleported me back, and then I just went just one. One. Yeah, I did that on there. I'm gonna do it now. I'll show you guys. I'm going up there. Okay, run. Da, da, da. My mama will never get me up here 'cause she'll slide down. I don't know what I'm talking about, but she doesn't want me to break my bones. All I want is some money 'cause all I care about is my money. I don't care about my body.
There's blood everywhere. Ooh.
I want to get the brain. I want to get the head when it goes off in. I've done that
Oh yeah.
I guess 20 times
Remember
now.
when it beeps like?
No, if you go to this the other one, there's lava.
Whatever.
The next actual map, not in this island, to the next island, it's like a city with a hole in the middle and it has lava on the last one.
Oh my god.
And then there's the horror one, the horror cave or something like that. And it's really cool. And it's like on the last one, once someone did it, and guess what happened?
They did.
No, it all did, like the thing went from like very bright yellow and red and then blue. It was crazy. I'm just gonna play this game all day. Probably not. I really want to play Theme Park Tycoon too. It's really fun.
How many minutes?
10. 5 more minutes. So, yeah, guys.
No, let's just do it soon. Just because
Yeah. How about on 13 minutes? On 13. So only like 2 minutes left. Okay, so guys, how much do I have? Let's see what. Because I'm going to show you guys the one that I was talking about. Because this one, you can see it's got lava there. When I first started, I thought it was all blood. And I was like, blood, that looks awesome. But then it's actually, I don't know why. And then it's called the Winter Horrorland. It's loading in, let me just wait. I don't think it will load in that good because it goes down there and then it goes down there and then it goes down there and there. So yeah. Is there any others? No, this is the last one. How much until I can? No, it's actually cheaper to get the Sunken City. It's cheaper to get the Sunken City. Again, the Sunken City.
Let's yeet myself off. Yeet! Yeet!
Yeet, guys. So, guys, I'm just gonna... I don't know, guys, if you've seen my new character, but this is what it looks like. It's not that new, but I really love the noob inside the noob. Because it's like the noob's inside my belly. In Roblox.
Okay, guys. I think we should leave the video there.
Yeah.
Remember to
Like, subscribe, and turn on for notifications.
And except on that subscribe button. So hit it, punch it, do whatever. But don't do them things to humans. Or you'll be in big, big trouble.
Okay, so bye.